Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index held firm above 97.5 on Monday, extending gains of nearly 1% from the previous session. The move follows President Donald Trump's nomination of Kevin Warsh as the next Federal Reserve Chair. Markets view Warsh as relatively hawkish, favouring tighter policy discipline and balance sheet control, which could reduce liquidity and support the dollar. WTI crude dropped more than 5% on Monday, trading near $62 per barrel. The sell-off came after reports that the US signalled willingness to negotiate with Iran, raising uncertainty over future supply conditions. While diplomatic talks remain possible, geopolitical risks persist as both sides maintain firm positions. At the same time, a stronger US dollar is pressuring oil demand, making crude more expensive for other currencies. Gold prices tumbled sharply on Monday, falling more than 8% to around $4,400 per ounce. This marks the steepest single-day drop in over a decade. The sell-off accelerated after Kevin Warsh's nomination boosted expectations of a more hawkish Federal Reserve, strengthening the dollar and pushing yields higher. Heavy profit-taking also followed gold's recent record rally. The Japanese yen weakened to around 155.5 on Monday, extending losses from the previous session. Pressure increased after Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi suggested that a weaker yen could create opportunities for Japan's export sector. Although she later clarified her comments, the market interpreted them as tolerance for currency depreciation. Meanwhile, the stronger US dollar, supported by Warsh's Fed nomination, added further upside to the pair. Euro-dollar extended its pullback, slipping below the key 1.18 level and hitting multi-day lows ahead of the Asian session. The decline reflects renewed strength in the US dollar as markets price in the so-called wash trade. Investors see the Fed nomination as signaling a more cautious approach to monetary easing, lifting bond yields and pressuring risk assets. Stronger US producer inflation data added to that view.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.